If you have run out of bread or just trying to cut down on simple carbs, you can still make deliciously crispy and golden French toast for breakfast. This no-bread French toast is a vegan-friendly, nutritious, and filling way to merge two popular breakfast dishes, French toast and oatmeal. Here is how to make oatmeal French toast without bread. You will need the following ingredients: 1½ cups of rolled oats, 1/4 teaspoon of pink salt, 2 1/4 cups of water. Bring to boil and simmer on medium-low heat for about 5 minutes till oats have absorbed all the water and are still slightly al dente. Cover the baking tray with parchment paper and pour the cooked oatmeal into a baking dish and smooth it out about 1/2 inch thick, kind of like a slice of bread. Place the baking dish into the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or overnight, so the oatmeal will be nice and firm to the touch. To make a custard for your French toast, you will need 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, dash of ground nutmeg, 4 tablespoons of chickpea flour. Mix all the ingredients together till well combined and pour the mixture into a shallow dish. Now, remove the oatmeal from the fridge and cut it into equal-sized squares. Place the oatmeal squares into the French toast mixture and flip them around to be well covered with the custard on both sides. Using vegan butter or cooking oil, fry the oat squares for about 3 minutes on each side on medium-high heat until golden brown. Now, place the fried French toast squares on a baking sheet and put them into the oven for about 10 minutes on 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius till they are nice and crispy. Serve with maple syrup or any of your favorite toppings. For more delicious, no-bread, low-carb French toast recipes, follow the link in the description below the video. Check it out now.